Handsome Game. What's up guys, Handsome Gamer here, 11, 12, 30. So I'm going to show you guys how to download free maps on Android devices for Minecraft. So first, you need to go to App Store, and then you need to type this, like 1600 mapas para Minecraft PE. You need to type that, like, look, like this, 60 mapas para Minecraft PE. Then type that. There we go. Click the first one and then press download. If you press download, open it, and it should be easy. So you're gonna see this, guys, but you're not going to click this like this. Like, it's gonna bring you to the App Store. Click this first one in here, not this one. This one, like this, and then like play. I want Hello Neighbor. So okay, now there you go. Sorry guys, some of it you need to watch a video to download the app. So wait, this kind of cool app. I think I'm gonna put a game layer here. Yeah, so that is taking so long. I think it glitched, guys. Sorry if it glitched. Okay, it's not glitch. Okay, now it's just loading. They just waited, guys. There we go. I hate Uber. I don't want any Uber, guys, because Uber is so scary. Like they're gonna kidnap you like that. That's why I don't like Ubers, because I don't want to get kidnapped. So let's just, okay, maybe let's not just wait. I have already downloaded one of here, so like if done downloading, it gonna says open. It is done. Go open Minecraft. So where's my Minecraft? Oh jeez, there's my Minecraft. Where's my? Okay, there I go. Minecraft. Alright, there you go, guys. Just wait, guys. Patience and virgin, guys. Okay, then maybe not. It's taking so long. Why is? Okay, it's not. So like, go here, like, go under of it. Like, if you are in top, like, not in iPad. Like, if you download map, like, it is on the top. Like, where is it? Just scroll down, and there's the map, guys. So it's so easy, guys. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you on the next video.